description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Apologies for the rotation. Yeah, this is Instant Noodle Recipe Time with some technical issues, and this is the show where I show you what to do. Oh, there we go. With your instant noodles, if you like. This is Acecook SiuKay from Vietnam. This is a chicken cheese. Kind of like a bulldog, kind of. And they've got a seafood one I really like. I keep mentioning that. Kind of reminds me of ganjampang. I think that was what it was called. 4 minutes, and you get to watch it boil. I know you're really into that, which I think is funny. And if it makes you happy, and that's all I gotta do, then there we go. But yeah, chicken and cheese. You boil it for 4 minutes, you drain it, you add in the junk and stir it up, and then you let it boil over and everything goes crazy. So we're dealing with the fact that we're getting a new couch on Tuesday, and the place that the couch place referred us to says, no, I can't go that far for such a small job. They did it before. Jerks. But now I'm getting all these things. Oh, you should put it on Buy Nothing. Somebody could use it. And it's like, no, our couch, like the bottom of it, all the cushion or the batting or whatever you call it, the stuff is coming out. And no, nobody wants that. Oh boy. And the noodle is cursing at me. That's okay. At least the next one I'm microwaving, so. But yeah, all these people are like, oh, instead of adding it to a landfill and paying for all these fees, you should take it to a recycling. Dude, we've got a CRV. It's not going in the CRV. We're not like taking baling twine and putting it on our roof. Do you need a totally like ready to fail couch? Well, okay. Can you pick it up before this exact time on Tuesday? No? Yeah. It's like we want a dependable person to remove the couch, and that's like the main part. So now we got to do that because Tuesday is new couch day, and new couch will be rad. I'm excited about new couch. It has 4 drink holders. I don't know. That's the new thing. I guess you can't have too many drink holders. I think if we wanted to make it even cooler, we could install marble columns in the drink holders, and then we would have like that'd be like the elegant perfection lifestyle. Maybe install toilets in the seats. I don't know, but that's a lot of drink holders, folks, for a love seat, you know? I guess you could put the remotes in it, and I kind of like that idea. But in the armrest, it lifts up, and it has like this really deep section where you can put junk. It's got, yeah, it's a neat couch. I just call them all couches. I always have. But I guess it's a love seat. It's a love seat. For those who love sitting. And I'm a fan of a good sit. Especially when all you can do is sit. But I do like it. I like it quite a bit. Alright. I've had enough caffeine for one day, I think. Yeah. If you haven't checked it out yet, you should go over to www.theramenraider.com and check the 2025 Global Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time. It's wonderful. By the way, on the last episode, it went kind of long because I forgot to press stop. A problem with my current setup I don't have a monitor. I can't see what you're seeing unless I look at the back of my phone. I could do it as a if I did it in like, you know, front-facing camera mode, like selfie mode, you wouldn't be able to fit much because this is really close quarters. So, yeah. But I forgot to press the stop button. And if you were listening to the full last episode, which I'm sure you did, every last second of it, apparently I mentioned that it was May 1st, 2024, and it is not. It's May 1st, 2025. My wife heard that and told me that is actually the real deal. I thought it was 2024. I really did. But no, I made a mistake. There is your spicy element. Now we got our goo. Goo. That spicy element, I'm smelling it, and I smell a lot of cumin in there, which is great. I like cumin. But it's supposed to be cheesy chicken. Boy, doesn't that look like cheese to you? And no, there isn't an extra sachet I'm missing here. One thing I should mention, I've made this stuff before, and so I think I'm probably gonna have to give this a really low score. I'm gonna have to ruminate on it. It's pretty obvious that it's a dry noodle if you look at the packaging and the imagery on it, but it says 500 milliliters. It doesn't mention draining it. That wouldn't work on a plate very well if you didn't drain the noodles off. That's a plate. So, yeah. But my whole thing is I go by the directions. It says put noodle into water, but it doesn't mention draining it. But 500 mils of water, we were thinking, man, maybe it'll suck up all that liquid. It's like, no, I just drained off a ton. So, but we'll know if I was wrong real quick if this is just like violent. But here we go. Cheers. Yeah, it's definitely you drain it. Wow, it is spicy. Chicken cheese, huh? Or cheese chicken. That's right. So, very much like a bulldog, as expected, as the other ones are. Heat level, nowhere near. Savory, it does have kind of a bitterness to the heat that I'm not a particular fan of. A lot of things do, and I'm like, come on, don't do that. But that's kind of the way it goes sometimes. Alright, so you're probably wondering, why did he put it in that cup? I'll show you. Don't get your face all out of whack. Because if you are new to this show, I like to plate things nice, so that's what I do. And it's not perfectly centered, so what I do is I kind of massage the noodle. Yes. Sometimes like this one, that it kind of yeah, we'll have to fix that on post. Once again, my local grocer did a crap job with the scallions. They're just all wet and gross, and I think I got these yesterday. It's like, it was like 1, maybe 2 days ago, and it's like, I need better scallions. They're sad. There you go. There's your cheesy chicken action. Yeah, I think that's about as far as we need to go. If you want something spicy, and it's kind of chickenish, and it's cheesy, well, it's cheesy-ish. Kinda. I guess you could enjoy this, and it would be a thing for you. So watch it rotate. Alright, so there's that. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is Asha in collaboration with Hot Ones. This is made in Taiwan. This is sizzling chili garlic. It's gonna have a great noodle. If it's the same one as the last 2 bowls I did of their stuff. Sizzling chili garlic. There's a lot of sachets in here. It's supposed to be spicy. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, turning you towards the light and wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.